guys, I'm here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Beyblade Burst Evolution. There's that. So I have the Minoboros M2. So it's an evolution version. So that's why it's an M2. So this is the front of the box. So this is the back. So this is a stadium. It is broken because we had it for about 4 years. And that was a long time ago before we even opened it, and even before we had that unboxing channel. So let's get unboxed. So let's first start with the ripper. So this is a ripper. I got the blue one. Okay, so yeah, this is how you put it in. This is how you put it in. Obviously. And now let's go on the Beyblade. This is the M2 stock. This is the Minoboros metal part. Now it's time for the ripping. Ripping? Look, I did that. Well, I'm not used to Beyblade first because I've never used this. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. So this is a attack side because it's supposed to attack. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video